Welcome to Science Online. My name is Chris. Happy Wednesday, and today we're going to talk about Newton's second law of motion, which is basically force is equal to mass times acceleration, or the more weight you need, the more forces are needed, or the more mass there is, the more forces are needed in order to accelerate an object. And the way we're going to test this is very, very simple. You're going to need 2 soda cans. Now this one is full, and this one is empty. You're going to need some sort of ramp, so like a stool and a plank or a piece of wood. And what we're going to do is we are going to basically roll the sodas down the ramp. Now remember, if you are using soda or some sort of carbonated beverage, probably after you roll it down the ramp, maybe don't open it up immediately after, because you're going to make a mess. So what Newton's law says is that basically the heavier an object, or the greater the mass, so its weight, the more force, so that's something that is pressing or acting against the object, is needed to accelerate in order to make it move. Or accelerate is basically just to make it go faster. So like when you accelerate in a car, you hit the accelerator, it makes you go faster. It's the go pedal. Right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to turn around my camera, and I don't know, I'm going to do this with one hand. I didn't think this through. Okay, I have both of these here. Now, this one, weighted, the one under my palm is not. Now the question is, if force is equal to mass times acceleration, which one will accelerate faster? Is it going to be the full one or the empty one? Now, which one do you think weighs more? Because that would be the first question. This one, the full can, or this one, the empty can? I'm going to count to 5, and then we're going to find out, all right? Also, these are my tomatoes. And what do you think? Force equals mass times acceleration. So that means that the full one flew past the empty one. Not only did it fly, but it bounced off my poor pepper plants. That's kind of cool. It also works with softballs, or another really good example is, does it take more force for you to push a bike or to push a car? Which weighs more? Which is why it takes more force in order to accelerate or push it faster. See, Newton, he was a really smart guy, and he thought about this before computers. The possibilities. This was an easy day. Try and get outside. It is absolutely gorgeous, but you're probably going to need a sweatshirt. It's a little windy. Think scientifically, ask questions, and next week, Newton's third law. Have a great one. Bye-bye.